Hello everyone! My name is Mr. Julius Lasarte Manalansan, Teacher 1 of San Vicente Pilot School for Philippine Craftsmen, and I am teaching Grade 9 EIM, or Electrical Installation and Maintenance.
Hello guys! Today we're going to demonstrate the step-by-step procedure in how to bend a PVC pipe. But first, we're going to prepare the necessary tools, equipment, and materials. We have the heat gun used to heat the PVC pipe, tri-square used for marking and checking 90-degree angles, pencil used for marking, purpose rule used for measuring length, width, and height, hacksaw used for cutting PVC pipe, wet rag used for wipe and clean the hot PVC pipe. For PPE, we have a face mask, gloves, and also the face shield. And here's our PVC pipe, 3 meters long. Okay, let's start. Step 2. Wear appropriate PPE or personal protective equipment. We have the face mask and the gloves. Step 3. Draw a right angle on the floor. This will serve as your guide in forming your conduit in 90 degree. Step 4 and 5. Draw an arc near the corner with the radius 100 mm. This will aid you in forming your elbow correctly. Step 6. Mark of 200 mm from the end of PVC pipe. This will be the center of your elbow bend. Step 7. Plug in the heat gun and apply heat to the conduit. Apply heat 100 mm on both sides of your marking. Apply heat evenly by turning over the conduit while swaying your heat gun back and forth to avoid kinks during bending. 8. Notice that when the conduit is softening, it will sag as shown. Step 9. If the conduit is softened, turn off the heat gun and bend the PVC to the desired shape using your arc and 90-degree angle guide drawn on the floor. You can use your foot when you're bending the PVC. Step 10. If the desired shape is formed, damp the conduit with a wet rag to harden immediately. You can use your foot to hold one end of the conduit while wiping. Now our 90-degree long elbow. Steps in offset bending PVC pipe. Steps 1 and 2 is already mentioned, so let's proceed to step number 3. Step number 3. Measure the elevation of the obstruction. Let's use the metal tubular 2 inches height. Step number 4. Draw the deep elevation on the floor as shown in the figure, using your tri-square, purpose rule, and pencil. This will guide you on how high your offset bend would be. Step number 5. You should have 2 lines as shown in the figure. You can use the hacksaw to cut the PVC pipe in the desired length for the offset bend. Step number 6. Mark of 7.5 centimeter or 3 inches to 100 mm from the end of PVC pipe. This will be the center of the first bend of the offset. Step number 7. Put another mark of about 200 mm or 20 cm from your first marker. Step number 8. Plug in the heat gun and apply heat to the conduit. Apply heat between your markers. Apply heat evenly by turning over the conduit while swaying your heat gun back and forth to avoid kinks during bending. If the conduit is softened, turn off the heat gun and bend the PVC to the desired shape using your guide drawn on the floor. Pull the left portion of the conduit while pushing the other end. Step number 10. If the desired shape is formed, damp the conduit with wet rag to harden immediately. You can use your foot to hold one end of the conduit while wiping. Step 11. Your band should look like this.